Welcome to the Garden of the Morning Calm. It's so cold. It's just 6 degrees, like same with Seoul, but the thing is, it's so freaking windy. Everything hurts, including my freaking lungs. So no.
Garden of the Morning. Going down for real?
Going down for real.
You didn't get the cue. So Aya will roll over the hill. See, come on, come on, do it.
No, thank you.
You can do it. Faster. Intentionally, yes. So she's here now. She's feeling cold.
This is not working.
There you go. Those are some green pine trees that later on will turn to yellow as they prepare for winter. So we're heading off to the bus again. Maybe get some coffee.
So what can you say about Nami and this time of the year? I mean, Garden of the Morning Calm. If you're expecting flowers, prepare to be disappointed.
So I think it's best to visit
Early November?
yeah, around early November.
Or late October.
But not late. Not mid-November, certainly not late November. There's nothing much to see here apart from
The trees
that are dying.
Off to Nami! Ferry! Joan Island. Judge Island.
So we have finally reached Nami Island. It's still freezing cold.
Yes.
And I like how my skin registers on the camera.
That's going in the video, you know, I'm not gonna cut it out.
It's fine. Alright, so we're here. We're trying to find a spot where there are less or few people. Because as you can see right there at the back, those are pine trees. And there are a lot of people under it.
Do you look like I'm crying? No. But I'm crying inside. I can't see anything because I'm not wearing contact lenses. So if you're somebody who wears glasses and you usually wear contact lenses when you travel, please don't do that in freezing temperature. I did that on our second day and it was the worst day ever.
I don't like my skin now. Look, it's drying.
Yeah, that's true. Anyway, but it's pretty. So let me turn the camera around because the place is prettier than any of us.
That's not true. All you see are the trees.
No, it's still
And
pretty.
riding on the ground.
So according to the tour guide, Nami Island was just a place where college students would come practice and drink a lot of soju. But then the series Endless Love Autumn in My Heart was shot here, and that's when the island became popular to tourists. So I watched this. This was shown in GMA and my mom liked it as well. But I like the Autumn in My Heart better.
How are you doing? How are you coping with the cold? It's 2, almost 2, and we're heading back to the port because our call time is 2:30. We need to get back to the other side of the island, so we won't be late for France. So we're traveling to France today. So from Korea, we'll update you once we get there. Bye. It's gonna be a long flight. Ciao.
So we're now in Petite France, and we spent like 20 minutes waiting for a coffee, and we only have an hour and 30 minutes here. So it's a theme park, and the motive is, well, as you can tell by the name, France.
Good morning. So I'm taking over AS vlog again. So we just arrived here at Namsan Tower. So the tower is right there. So here's a better view of the tower. There you go. So according to Wikipedia, it was built around 1980, and it has since become a symbol of Seoul. So everybody or everyone who visits Seoul visits Namsan Tower. So it's a must-see and a must-visit attraction here in Seoul. There you go. So she's here.
I'm out of breath. It's terribly cold.
Alright, more to go.
So they say that if you're gonna put a love lock here and write the name of your partner or whatever, it says that you're gonna stay together forever. Many have tried. I don't know what the success rate is. No one's keeping statistics, but if you're a believer, then do so. Then I saw your face, I'm a believer.
There you go.
And then we're going up to the locks now. There are also places where you can buy food and ice cream and everything, gifts. Here we are! See, a lot of people are in here. It's 2 degrees today. Sunny but cold. So yeah. So this vlog this is my channel, but you're gonna see this person everywhere because I hate pointing the camera
I need to find myself.
at my face.
Where's my name?
What if you're gonna see your boyfriend's name in here written by somebody else?
The full name.
The full name. Again, you have to put like a lock and write your name and your partner's name. And you know?
Guess what? We found something very interesting and we want to show them to you.
Yeah.
One is...
Hold on.
Hang on.
Let's show it right away.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Alright, there you go.
It says, sure, it's love language.
And then this one.
And then it says Eddie Wow, so it's written by a Filipino, no less. Bitter kay ta besh. Nga naman hi besh. Whoever wrote it, I hope you found love and you're happy now. Please put a key of your love lock in this yellow box so we can open it and throw it away when love fails. I sound so bitter, but I'm actually not. I believe in love. My heart is full of love.